Frankie, and today I'm here with another squishy package, and I just got it. It came from China, and I got a 15-pack one. This time, it's not from Silly Squishes or anyone. I just got it from eBay, and there's 15 in here, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I scratched my address on both sides. So yeah, as you can see, I did not open it, and I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go get my scissors and I'll be right back. Now we're gonna open it. I'm always scared I'm gonna cut a squishy. So I usually cut on the side very carefully. And then I'm not gonna lock this in. Sorry guys. What happened? I got it set. Now I'm gonna open it. Okay, so they're in this bag. Ah, look at that. Okay, so now I'm not going to look what they are. So this one I grabbed. Aw, this is cute. I got this like Mickey Mouse one, I think. Pretty squishy. I'm not looking at these, guys, I swear. Okay, so it feels, this one, ooh. So I got this little mini donut. I was gonna check if any of these smell, guys, I'm sorry. Nope, okay, so. I'm gonna grab the small ones first. These are really cute, actually. This one sort of smells. Oh, here's the squishiness from this one. It's pretty soft. And sorry about the noise in the background. Really sorry. This one is like pink or something. Oh, this is a macaron. Sorry if I said that wrong. Squishy. This one. These are really cute. Wait. This one sort of smells. Here we go. Here's another one. This is sort of like the other one, but not really. The other one had a... This one's most likely going to get defected. It had a Hello Kitty and a bear. This one. Oh my god, this is so cute. I got this little Hello Kitty bread, and it's yellow on the outside. These are really cute. And I got 15, so right now I have 6. This one. Oh my god, this one. I got the circle one of this one, but I never got the bread. Nope. Pretty, really squishy actually. And I got this one. I got another one of this one. It's just blue on the outside. That's okay. I actually love the color blue. So, yeah. I like the yellow one too because they're both the same, most likely. Got another one. This is cute. It says love on it. It's blue. These are actually pretty hard to get out because they're like sticking to the package. And I'm doing the smaller ones first, and there are jumbo ones because I can feel them. Pretty squishy. I'm just trying to search for small ones. Okay, so we have 8. We have 8 now. I'm gonna get this one out. You know, it's not that small. Oh, this is so cute. This is big, actually. It's pretty, like, really soft, actually, right here. Fits my hand. I'm pretty sad, actually, now, because... I mean, I'm happy as well, but I got 2 of the same, but that's okay. I got these two again. Got this one again. I love sticky squishies, I think. Yeah. Ooh, another small one. Now I'm actually getting really sad because I'm getting two things. And I hope the jumbo ones aren't the same. That's what I'm really hoping. Okay, so I have this little chain. Okay, so now I'm actually looking, and I have 3 of these. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I got this one. Guys, I'm actually pretty sad because I'm getting 2 of the same thing. But I guess that's okay. Pretty squishy. Actually, like it's lighter, like the lighter color. We have a bunch of these. Okay, and now I'm gonna start with one jumbo one. Oh my god! I got the panda one. It's so big. Well, compared to my hand, it's pretty big. I can't take it out. It's so big. Oh, I just ripped it. What's these? Not the squishies. I can't get it out. Ah. There we go. This is so cute. I can't see little defects, but that's okay. Let's squish it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's last one. Okay, now I'm actually really disappointed. I actually got a bigger one of this, but it's big, so I really like it. Okay, so that's all of them. I'm supposed to get 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Got them all. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to get another squishy package soon. So yeah, thank you guys, and bye.